Hello, my name is Muhammad Akram, Department of Civil Engineering in ISL Engineering College. Today I am here to deliver a seminar on earthquake resistant building. Here the topic we discuss about what is earthquake, types of earthquake, how earthquake occurs, causes and effect of earthquake, seismic waves, seismic performance and design, improving earthquake resistance of minor building, shear walls, advantages of shear walls, earthquake resistance structure techniques, base isolation method, energy dissipation device, keeping building up trust. At last, conclusion. Let us start. What is earthquake? Earthquake are natural disasters of generally unpredictable in nature. It is the shaking of earth due to the movement of earth crust. A sudden rapid shaking of the earth caused by the breaking and shifting of rock beneath the earth's surface. Types of earthquake. There are two types of earthquake: interplate plate earthquake, intraplate earthquake. In both types of earthquake, during earthquake at fault strike slip horizontal movement and deep slip or vertical movement. How do earthquake occurs? Because of the earth's rotation and other energy factor, different shells or the rock layers constantly move or slide past each other. Different continental mass fragments of lesser densities float and move overriding the denser rock layers. This cause earthquake. Causes of earthquakes. Earthquakes are causally related to tensional stresses, volcanic eruption, rockfall, landslides, and explosions can also cause a quake. Fault. A fault is nothing but a crack or weak zone inside the earth when two blocks of rock or two plates rub against each other along a fault. They don't just slide smoothly. As the tectonic forces continue to prevail, the plate margins exhibit deformation as seen in terms of bleeding, compression, tension, and friction. Seismic waves. There are two types of seismic waves: body wave, surface wave. In body wave, there are two types of wave: P wave, S waves. In P waves, travel through solids and fluid. In an S wave, travels through solids. Second one, surface waves, slowest and damaging. Effect of earthquakes: ground motion, landslides, tsunamis, aftershocks, liquefaction. Seismic performance: ability of structure to sustain its function with safety and serviceability at earthquake. Seismic design: it is authorized engineering procedure, principle, criteria to design structures subject to earthquake exposure, improving earthquake resistance of minor building. Size of building: simpler the plan, better the performance. Construction material: RCC preferable than PCC. Strong column, weak beam, horizontal band necessary throughout the masonry. Avoid soft story, continue wall in ground short. Shear walls: vertically oriented wide beams. It carries seismic load down to the bottom of foundation, provides large strength and stiffness of building. Thickness generally varies from 150 mm to 400 mm in high rise building. See the figure beside. Advantages of shear walls: efficient in terms of cost, effectiveness, construction, help in minimizing the effect on non-structure non-structural element, example glass window. Earthquake resisting structure techniques, base isolation method, energy dissipation device, keeping building up trust. Base isolation method. In base isolation method, intro- introduces flexibility to the structure. Building is rested on flexible pads. When earthquake strikes, the building does not move. It is suitable for hard soil only. Energy dissipation device. It acts as a hydraulic shock absorber in car. When seismic energy is transmitted through them, dampers absorb part of it and thus damp the motion of building. Seismic damper can be seen in the above slide, as we can show in keeping building up trust. This is the recently discovered technique of Japan. It has found to be survived even in extreme earthquakes. Concept of keeping building up trust is that when the earthquake strikes, the system dissipates energy in the building cores and exteriors. The frames are free of rock up and down with within fittings fixed at their bases. At last, conclusion. While earthquakes are inventable, earth earthquake need not convert into a disaster, as what comes in between is the culture of safety and prevention. Let us work together to build a culture of prevention. Here I proceed. Thank you.